ꯀꯝꯗꯧꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯃꯟ ꯁꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯄꯤꯁꯛ ꯄꯤꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯥꯏꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯄꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯤꯜꯚꯔꯒꯤꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯃꯟ ꯊꯤꯟꯕ ꯂꯥꯛ 4 ꯊꯥ ꯂꯩꯅꯤ.
This is also younger brother?
My son.
Your son?
Yes.
Mommy?
Yes.
You look like younger brother.
Polish tꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯣꯗꯣ polish ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ
More expensive ruby, the red color.
ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯠꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯣ.
The neck is a setting, pearl and silver. Crystal for everything. Earring, ring, whatever you want. Here. The neck, everything handmade, and make about 90%.
Oh.
90%. Thailand is the workmanship the best in the world.
To find hidden gemstones.
상대 농당 공부하고 살아가니 tumba yaharoy nga tawlene na di pung mga tagdum ko se na mo hanane mo daw wala ani mo na yengo sigo yo le ko ram kamay to ga koi la ko siya okay
about the video inside, what they make, how they make.
Oh.
The video is 5 minutes.
Oh.
Madam, give you sticker phone number, you put your hand na. Thank you.
Is this a gallery or something?
ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 5 ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯜꯂꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ.
Once upon a time, there lived a king named Haiying Song.
Lang rồi. Sing mà.
He had 3 shining ones with daughters.
Island horror kill the volcano lagi. Ay just main tu akan din macam.
Besides diamonds, stones which are valuable and praiseworthy in beauty are rubies and blue sapphires. They are found in several parts of the world. But rubies and blue sapphires, which are the most beautiful, of the best quality, and accepted worldwide at the present time, come from Thailand, the only source for the production of those stones. Gentle and beautiful Thai art and culture, along with the beauty of gemstones, show the utmost value of civilization. Far from Bangkok, to the east, about 300 kilometers, is Chanthaburi Province, a quiet seaside town. Here is a center for the largest gemstone production of the country. Gemstone mines in former days was by digging a hole about 3 meters in depth. A person in the hole would excavate the clay in a bucket. Then, workers have a person at the mouth of the hole pull up the bucket of clay for sieving the clay in order to find hidden gemstones. But nowadays, gem miners have brought machines to assist in the production by using a high-pressure jet of water to blast the soil, which has mineral veins. Then, the mud is pumped to a gemstone vibrating sieve. Collecting of gemstones from the vibrating sieve must be made at night by spotlighting the sieve. Gemstones will reflect the light, which enables separation of gemstones from gravel. After collecting a number of gemstones found, local people will sell the gemstones at the market, which is open for conducting business every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The value of gemstone will depend on their size, category, color, and rarity. Here, gemstones, which are the most desirable and of the best price, from Siamese rubies. The value and beauty of gemstones will appear after they have been cut. Then, setting of the precious stones will be designed. All of the designs must be selected before permitting a goldsmith to take such settings. Before final is a decoration of the settings. Gemstone craftsmen will place the selected gemstones into the setting by clamping them tightly in the setting. Then they polish a little in order to make them sparkle. the only center of a genuine production and the best gem cutting in the world. Gems Gallery International. Best designs and craftsmanship. Price and quality are guaranteed.
Yes.
Rồi James sao đó, xoay to sai có, mỗi chút nó sai có, nó sai design mỗi chút tàu lạc tàu đó.
The neck is a setting like in gold, 18, 14, 9 karat and silver. We sell for everything. Earring, ring, whatever you want. Here. The neck, everything handmade and make about 90%.
Oh,
90%. Thailand is the workmanship the best in the world. And we have the color stone. Ruby, Nilam for class. Yeah.
đây có, em rồi, ruby và
And this is the
sapphire.
Ruby Nilam for class.
Y đây có, không như thế, tầm nó đúng, cái boost nằm nó em biểu có. When phăng bờ đó, raw đó tụi mình nghe polish tàu gì vậy, raw đó, polish tàu phải cái gì?
More expensive ruby, the red color. This only the factory. But you go to inside, you more beautiful. You are family butter.
Yes.
I see. It looks you still young. This is also younger brother.
My son.
Your son?
Yes.
Mommy?
Yes.
He looks like younger brother. Welcome. Inside no video.
Okay. Mình được ra rồi con. Thôi đừng nhìn à cái. Mày em lạc video tôi nhìn video. Mình cầm đâu qua? Si masterpiece nga tani ko. Sila manung no yolo ko diamond sana gi nga do. Sana masa phasa bam yeng ko. Lupa pichupi sa kang pa silver gi da diamond thin ba. Lak mari tha len yeng. Khoi gari number do si sai gari number ma si ma si ngong ane do khoi guide to ma thenga da dikhang roi. Si gari aman si ngong. Today mo halani khoi si James Daimond James Jewelry ni. Khoi thole ko ki James Jewelry James Gallery do Jewelry Gallery hai da ko. Thole khoi se ma se di blogger di wa re tum sa gi timing sin mo do pung akum mo ken tum re ko sang re nong dang pung ba ro sa ga ni tum ba ya ro nga tau le ni di pung ma ta tum ko lo se na mo hana ne mo do ko la ni mo na main tau le na yang kang thani sa ba tha ko su yang ana phut loi na sa ba su sa ning dre mi ram ni na ko sa ning ga di heta breakfast ka do heta khoi pung mapan da sa ba breakfast ko khoi di pung nipan da sak sa la yum da gi thui ni thau ne na phul da ban sa yai ne ba sa ning ga phau de ma the lo koi phadan tau na pam sai du sa ning de lam za thok pa si ta sa ning de ka mai de hon de next time sleeping buddha yeng ba chatu ni ko as which is the cover ni ko tang ona black gold white gold yol ho lei hori mem do sana da makhal ni hum le hore ko adu yang ngak pom na moi de si de sandi gi moi handmade nga 90% handmade na hai moi su India khata ni ko ya ba no machine na sa de Manipur machine na sa yam tong na re si ko adu mi gi na mo thai na gi handmade che si de stuck do to in tham me ba designer collection nga ta ni tang em manung dan tang wei sang se aina sana gi red hang ta na ma hydrorak te sana khoi si de sana gi red gram de yon de sana se akhodi si da special masterpiece thami se si gi ma gi labor charge adagi mai loina yaw including loina yaw ma tung da ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯇ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯤꯄꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯜꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯆꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯕꯦꯡꯀꯣꯛ ꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯇꯨꯔ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯇꯤꯅꯔꯤꯗꯀꯣ ꯄꯦꯀꯦꯖꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯦꯁ